Making a cookbook is fun, easy, and successful with Morris Press Cookbooks. We recommend you watch each of our step-by-step videos for more details, but here's a quick review of our 8 easy steps. Step 1. Get started. Begin by forming a committee with the chairperson and committee members to carry out different tasks. The chairperson should request our free cookbook kit, which includes free samples and our publishing guide. Step 2. Collect and submit recipes. Choose one of 3 ways to collect and submit your recipes. You may enter recipes using our online system, Type and Save. We can typeset recipes for you. Or you may send all your cookbook pages to us, press ready. We recommend that you use Type and Save because it's the fastest and easiest way to gather recipes. You'll save 25 cents per cookbook, and production time will be shorter. Plus, you can complete all other parts of your cookbook and submit your entire order online. Step 3. Select a recipe format. All recipe formats are free, although our discount recipe format F15 will actually save you 20 cents per book. You may also choose from many options to personalize your pages, such as subcategories, non-continued recipes, recipe notes, fillers, and symbols. Step 4. Develop personal pages. You can preserve photos, history, and other content in your cookbook's personal pages. Choose from many free designs to enhance your pages or print them without artwork. All cookbooks include a free title page, table of contents, recipe index, and an optional contributor index and mail order page. Step 5. Choose a cover style and design. 3 cover styles are available. The soft cover is our most popular and economical. Our heavy-duty hardback cover provides a more professional appearance and adds value to your cookbooks. Our padded 3-ring binders are the ultimate in cookbooks. The padding adds a rich feel to the cover and protects it from dents and dings. Choose from many beautiful full-color stock cover designs, use a cover template that can be customized, or submit your own custom design. We also offer free art service if you need assistance. Step 6. Choose a divider set. Add style and functionality with a divider set. We offer many beautiful full-color stock divider sets that perfectly complement our stock covers. For more personalization, submit custom dividers, use a divider template, or use our free art service. All dividers are available with or without tabs. Step 7. Choose cookbook extras. Several options are available to make your cookbook even better. 16 free pages of cooking hints add valuable resources. For an extra charge, add a recipe pocket envelope to keep loose recipes neatly organized. Finally, generate extra revenue by including advertising pages in your cookbook. Step 8. Place your order. A quick check before submitting your order and material will help to ensure smooth production of your cookbook. To assist you, use our checklist found on our website's Download Center. Once your order and material are received, we'll send you a confirmation email with your book number. A free proof will be provided for you to review and make sure everything is correct. If you have questions or need assistance, we're here to help you every step of the way. Our goal is to help you create a beautiful cookbook everyone will be proud to own. We provide all the ingredients for success.